be you.
Enemies.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have this Expresslane's Maisto Tech RC, and I promised you guys once we reached 10,000 subscribers, which we did. Thank you guys so very much. I appreciate that we would give away an RC. So here it is. I know it's not a Traxxas or you know, one of those fancy smancy RCs, but baby steps. You know, as we grow as a community, you know, the giveaways should get better. I have a next goal for giving away an RC at 25K. So we're getting there. We're well on our way. We are currently at 12K and some change. So that is awesome. Thank you guys so very much. So I had this RC just laying around, and I said, hey, well, this would be the perfect gift for someone out there, but I'm trying to figure out what to do in order to give it away. Well, first of all, the criteria is you have to be following me on all 3 of my social medias. That is Instagram, TikTok, and of course here on YouTube. So if you can first send a screenshot to
proof
our email, which will be down in the description below. Send an email with proof that you are following us on all 3 of our social medias. That's the first criteria. And the second criteria would be, along with that email, just send you know, type a brief paragraph or something about why you like RCs. And then we will choose a winner. Then we will ship this to you guys or gals free of charge. That will be on me. I will select the winner. I'll give it another 15 days. So in another 15 days, once this video goes up, and you know, as we post other videos, we'll continue to remind people of this video, of our free giveaway. No purchase necessary, none of that yada yada jazz. We're just giving this away as a thank you for the 10,000 subscribers in the community, and we're just trying to give back. Obviously you have to be 18 and older. If you are under the age of 18, you would definitely need adult consent, you know, things of that nature. We're not shipping anything to minors unless an adult is consenting to do so. And yeah, I think I pretty much covered everything. So 15 days, and 15 days from today we will announce the winner on YouTube, the person that we selected, and we will read their letter, and yeah, that will be it. They contact us with all their information, and this guy will be shipped off to a new home. All right, so just a little bit about this guy. It's nice looking car. The wheels are staggered. It has a red outline on both front and rear wheels. It has one of my favorite numbers, number 3. Got a bunch of sponsor stickers on there. It is 27 megahertz. You have full functioning control. You can see the transmitter right there in the corner. Yeah, it's a nice starter RC, and I think it's okay for our very first RC giveaway. So you will need 2 AAA batteries for the controller and 6 AAA batteries for the vehicle. If I recall, when I did do this video, yeah, the wheels are rubber, so yeah, it should be a blast to drive, and it does mimic, you know, like the more experienced level RCs with the pens. So it does have the plastic pens, which is why it is 8 and up, because we don't want the little kids to choke off of those things. So yeah, definitely want to be careful with that. Any questions that you have, just drop them in the comments below. All right, I've already talked too long. So until the next video, I hope I covered everything. Y'all be easy. Peace.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment, don't forget to watch more, subscribe.